This is Oak Lane in Circle J Ranch. Welcome to 22755 Lennon Court, Santa Clarita, California. Walk into brand new laminate flooring. The Plantation shutters are beautiful against the freshly painted walls. This dream kitchen is a rare find in a townhouse. Note the direct access to car side-by-side garage. Recessed and under cabinet lighting make this unit super bright and welcoming. Designer powder room with large storage space. Note the beautiful mirror and light fixture. Upstairs has a skylight, not a dark area in the home. Beautiful ceiling fan graces this large romantic master bedroom with plantation shutters. Master bathroom features include double sinks and walk-in closet. New comfy carpet upstairs. How convenient to have laundry upstairs. More plantation shutters in this bedroom. This bedroom has a walk-in closet. Enough room on this patio for entertaining. Nice trees in the complex. Two-car direct access garage, a huge plus. Not congested in this complex. Gorgeous pool area. With lounge chairs and shade. Circle J Ranch Park walking distance. With a huge playground and facilities. A running track. Very impressive. Easy access to town center, 5 and 14 freeways. Central to the city of Santa Clarita.